To begin, sign in to MyValley using your personal username and password. Next, click on the My Links drop-down menu and select Schedule an appointment with Student Success Services. There are many options to choose from, including advising and counseling, student strengths development, transfer services, and brother-to-brother. Take a moment to see which location and services are right for you. For this demonstration, we will use advising and counseling at Texas Township or Healthy Living locations. Because we are interested in discussing what course to take next semester, we will select the first link. Set an appointment with a pathway advisor or counselor at the Texas Township or Healthy Living campus. Next, select the Make Appointment button. Then choose your reason code. In this case, choose Select Class Schedule. You can view all of the available times and dates, or you can filter your search to view dates and times that fit your specific needs. When your search criteria is correct, select the Find Appointments button. A menu of options appears listing the campus, date, day, time, appointment duration, and counselor name. Choose the most convenient time for you and enter the confirmation information. You will be reminded of your appointment via text. Confirmation information will be emailed to your Kalamazoo Valley student email account.